Hi everyone, welcome back again to the YouTube channel. I hope you all are well and subscribe to my channel. If not so, just do it now. Guys, today morning I got this product from AliExpress. This is an electric toothbrush and the price of this toothbrush is only $4.89. Here you can see some image of this product. The rating of this product is 4.7. Friend, I'm not promoting this product, I just show you the product. So now I'm going to cut this plastic and show you the product. Also try to discuss about details of this product. So let's start the video. Okay friends, now I'm going to cut the plastic. Okay, here is the product. Inside the packet, nothing. Seller sent me the product wrapping with a soft wrapper so that this product will not damage. Okay. Here you can see the product. Here you can see this product made in China. Okay, here is the electric toothbrush. Toothbrush tufts are soft, not hard. The body of this toothbrush made with plastic and the plastic quality is good. This is the power on off button. Toothbrush vibration is good. Here are all modes of this toothbrush: clean, white, polish, gum care and sensitive. Just press the power button and the mood will automatically change. And to turn off the power, just press and hold the power button. The finishing quality of this toothbrush is good. At this bottom side, the charging port of this toothbrush. Seller sent me 4 extra toothbrush head. All are sealed. This is the charging cable of this toothbrush. Now I'm going to connect the power cable with the toothbrush. And I'm charging the electric toothbrush with my power bank. Okay, here you can see the red light now turn on. That's mean it's charging. Plug out, again plugging, and it's charging. Now I'm going to detach the toothbrush head from the body. Okay, here you can see the inside. Now if I run the toothbrush without the head, now you are listening the vibration sound. It is good. Now press and hold 3 seconds and it is turned off. And if I press the power button continuously, the brushing mode will automatically change. For example, now it's on. Now if I press the power button once, here you can see mood change. Again press, mood change. So in this way you can change brushing mode. Now to turn off, just press and hold. It's turn off. So in my opinion, it's really nice and useful product. Besides this, the quality of this product also good. I hope you also like this electric toothbrush. If you want to purchase this product, then you will find the product link in this video description. Also, you will get a discount on this product. Beside this product, I hope you also like this video. If you are, please click on the like button. If you have any question, please comment below. I'll try my best to give your comments reply. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.